In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Asana to Google Calendar. Integrating these two powerful tools can streamline your workflow, allowing you to see all your tasks and commitments in one unified space. Let's start by heading over to Asana. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your home screen. From here, navigate to My Tasks. This is the starting point where you can view all your current tasks and plan what needs to be synchronized with your Google Calendar. Next, locate the Customize button. It's usually at the top right of the interface, allowing you to tailor your task management experience. Customization is essential, as it paves the way for integrating additional apps, enhancing Asana's capabilities beyond just a project management tool. After clicking Customize, you'll find a section labeled Apps. Click on Apps to explore various third-party integrations that Asana can support. This section is crucial because it gives you the flexibility to enhance how Asana interacts with other platforms you might be using. Now, it's time to proceed to the next step by hitting the Add button. This enables you to choose from various options and initiate the integration process. Look for Google Calendar in the options. Google Calendar is a versatile tool that keeps track of your events, reminders, and of course, tasks from other sources like Asana. Once you've found Google Calendar, click on it to start the linking procedure. This will prepare the necessary configuration so Asana can send data to your calendar. Proceed by clicking on Add to Project. This step also ensures that Asana knows which specific project tasks you want to link to your Google Calendar. At this point, you might have to pick a project if you have multiple ones, so make sure you choose the one you're currently working on or the one you need on your calendar. The next prompt will ask you to connect to Google Calendar. Click Connect to Google Calendar, which will lead you through Google's authentication process. For security reasons, Google will request permission to allow access between your calendar and Asana. So when prompted, make sure you click Allow. This grants Asana the required permissions to sync your tasks seamlessly. Finally, to complete the integration, click on the Got It button. This confirms that your Asana tasks are now linked to your Google Calendar. From now on, any tasks in Asana with due dates will automatically appear on your Google Calendar, helping you manage deadlines more efficiently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Asana with Google Calendar. This connection can significantly boost your productivity, providing a comprehensive view of your workload and ensuring you never miss an important deadline. Enjoy your newly streamlined workflow